Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell icon, so as not to miss any new video. Okay. If I had told you guys that you can change the color of your clothes magically by just saying Allah Kazern. Some will say it's impossible, but what if I prove you wrong in Photoshop? You promise to like this video?
Alright, I hear you loud and clear.
Let's get started. Open the image in Photoshop. Select the area you want to color with any selecting tool you like. Here, I'll be using the Quick Selection tool. Now, press Ctrl J on your keyboard to duplicate the selected area on a new layer. Click here and select any color you want except pure black. Click Alt or Option key while moving the cursor to the bottom of the layer, and click to clip the layer, color layer only. Now click here and select Multiply. Repeat the process in order to add pattern to the dress. Voila! You've just magically changed the color and pattern of the clothes in Photoshop. Well done guys, you can download the image used in this tutorial by clicking the download image link in the description box. Oh wait! You promised to like this video. Thanks. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.